Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a quick follow-up on that pre-war motor that I replaced both of the back wheels on. As you see, these are Baldwins. The front are spoked. So basically junk motor. Dropped into a fairly decent 999 shell. Now this motor runs forward and reverse. So I went to assemble this and I discovered I was out of screws. Now the screws for the 999, in fact all of the Marx motors, are 632 standard screws. So I went up to Ace Hardware to get some screws, and they said, nope, we don't have any straight slot 632 screws. All we have is Phillips. It's like, all right. So anyway, went up to Walmart and got these. This is what you need. 632 by ½ screws. These are $1, something like that, 97 cents, I think. Anyway, these are the perfect screws for the 999, and these will also fit any of the other Marx locomotives. This is the screw they use, 632. So it's bright silver, of course, so you have the option. You can either temporarily coat it with an ink marker to turn it black, or just heat it cherry red and drop it into motor oil. That'll blacken it forever. It'll look like the original screw. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on this 999. As you see, once these things are assembled, they actually look quite good, even when they're made out of junk. And in this case, that motor was shot, just absolute junk. Anyway, got the screws put in the 999, so I thought I'd do a quick video and take this around so you can see it running. As you see, that thing just runs perfectly, just runs splendidly. No matter what speed you set it up, it just maintains a constant speed all the way around the rail, as you see. Anyway, so another locomotive assembled basically from junk parts. But I want to do a video on these screws. Like I said, Ace does not have these, which really perplexed me. It's one of the most popular screws in the United States. And they have a Phillips head version, they have a brass version, they have a plastic version, but they don't have a slotted head steel version, which is what I wanted. So anyway, I'm going to pull 2 of the screws out, heat them red hot, drop them into motor oil, turn them black, and just want to do a quick video on the screws you need for the Marx locomotives. They're all exactly the same, 632. Now on a different locomotive, of course, you're going to need a shorter screw. These can be long because they're going into this big box that holds the slides. Anyway, ½ 632, that's what you need for the 999. Works really well, really, really inexpensive. You get a whole bag of them for $1. Anyway, like I said, heat them cherry red, drop them into motor oil, they turn black, and you have an instant replacement for the original screw. It looks original, same size. Works really, really well. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.